Kia ora, Markie here from Retract.com. This is a very short video, a nano video in fact. I just want to make you aware of what I think is a brilliant service for the partners of retroactive jealousy sufferers. Partners suffer enormously, equally as much, if not more so, than RJ sufferers. So I think it's really important that there are services aimed at them. So what I've done is I've set up a Facebook forum. It's a secret group, it's got a discreet name. You can only join if you're invited to do so by me. And in order to do that, I just need your email. So if you are the partner of someone who's suffering from RJ, or if you have RJ yourself and you think your partner needs some help, by all means, put them my way. There is an agreement that you need to sign when you join. It's all on there. I won't go into it now. So it's very careful about boundaries, very careful about how the whole thing is set up. So if you're interested, then message me, ideally via Facebook Messenger, but anyway, and give me your email. You have to be on Facebook to access it. Let me know, and please spread the word, because I think this is an important resource that people need to know is out there. That's all. Nano video over, and that little bell marks the end of my mini video. See you guys soon. Bye.